In this video, I will show you how to install Haystack TV or Haystack News on Android TV. This is very easy. I can subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have an Android TV or smart TV and want to install Haystack News to it without Google Play Store installed, here's what you can do. Now, since you don't have Google Play, you need to use an intermediate application like Downloader that's going to help you to search files from across the internet and install them to your Android TV. So Downloader is a very useful application for all Android users. If you don't have a download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link and guide that's going to help you to get Downloader to your Android TV. After getting Downloader, all you have to do is to launch it, and here's how it looks like. So the interface is very easy to use. All you have to do is come over here and search install Haystack TV or Haystack TV install or just Haystack TV APK. Anyone that you're comfortable with. Once you type in the right keyword, I'm just going to go ahead and click on go. As you click on go, the Download is going to show you a result page with options of sites that you can install the application to your Android TV. As you can see on my screen, here are the various options. You see this option, there is this. You can always scroll down a little bit to see other options. And if these are not enough, you can click on next for more options. So for the sake of time, we're just going to go ahead and try this option. So as you click there, here's what is going to happen. We're going to get the install button and we can just click on install. The application is going to be installed to our Android TV. Very easy. If this doesn't work, you can go ahead to try the other options. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful.